Hi YouTube. Today we'll just be quickly unboxing this Commodore 64. Yeah, that's pretty neat. We're not going to be powering it on or anything, because one of my friends told me, who owns one of these, that I shouldn't use the original PSU for some reason. I'm not entirely sure why. But it might, I'm not sure. It might be because it did a big stinky. But it's in the box, so who knows. Oh yeah, shout out to one of my dad's friends for providing this to us. I'm probably not going to say their name for privacy reasons, I guess. Maybe, I don't know. Even if I don't say their last name, I know at least one of you out there is going to find out who they are. Alright. First, the floppy drive, since that's what's on top. 'Tis beautiful. Now, I just need to... hold on. Right. Okay, here we go. Alright. Now that's sticky. Alright, now, on to the big kahuna itself. Oh, it's beautiful. And it looks brand new as well. Alright. Get out there. There we go. That's one. And that's two. Everything is now successfully unboxed. Wait, hold on. Let me just... That's not too bad of a keyboard. Is there anything in there? Oh, no, they're not like IBM. Oh. That's nice. Anything else here? There's some ports for controllers. Fun fact, same one as Genesis and the Atari 2600, I think. Power switch, cartridge slot, you know, typical. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Wait, is that it? Hold on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Hold on. That is concerning. Wait. Power. If that's for the floppy drive, wait. Something isn't right here. Crap. Well, free power cable, I guess. Well, I'm just probably gonna leave this here for the time being. Wait. Am I missing something? No? I guess not. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.